Vectorworks Architect is a tool built for creative minds. Architects and designers want a tool that thinks like them, that can adapt to their workflows and design processes, a tool that's easy to learn. Vectorworks is the software of choice for hundreds of thousands of designers around the world because of its quality, adaptability, flexibility, and ease of use. Vectorworks offers a wide range of tools, from powerful 2D graphics capabilities to freeform 3D modeling, as well as integrated BIM modeling tools. Vectorworks also provides all you need for renderings and presentations. Our all-in-one solution allows designers to focus on their projects and worry less about learning multiple specialized tools and plugins. Vectorworks lets you design, document, present, and collaborate with peers, all in one program. The design process can vary widely from project to project. You might start your project by importing a sketch, PDF, DWG, or even use a geo-image of a site. If you want to experiment with form, you can model on top of these drawings and graphics using any of our various 3D modeling tools. We have push-pull modeling that you can use to quickly go from 2D to 3D. You can draw 2D shapes directly on 3D faces and continue using push-pull to edit the object. This is a great way to start a model and quickly make edits. You can see I'm making use of what we call the Smart Options display. With this display, I have tool modes, recent tools, and various toolsets available to me right where I'm drawing. You can customize it to how you wish, so it enhances the way that you work. You can also experiment with our other solid modeling tools, like Deform and Extrude Along Path. We have NURBS tools for curvilinear forms, and a subdivision tool for sculptural modeling. Our modeling tools have history, so you have the control to easily edit your model at any point in the process. If you want to design programmatically, you can use your 2D objects to map out a floor plan, or use the Space tool to calculate area, adjacencies, etc. You can also use spaces to generate walls, so you can quickly convert your 2D program into a 3D BIM model. Once you have walls, it's easy to add slabs and roofs to your model as well. You've already seen spaces, walls, and slabs, but in addition, we have a full suite of intelligent tools that allow you to build a complete BIM model. Let's look at a file that is a full model in the construction documentation stage of production. This model is pretty much complete, so I'll go through some different views to show you how it's organized. The complex objects that make up this model can be styled, meaning that they can be saved as types for use in multiple files. This door is a styled object. Object styles can have certain parameters that are always the same, and other parameters that can be changed in each instance of that style. The arrow icon indicates by style, and the sliders icon indicates by instance. If you edit the style or type itself, all objects of that style would be updated accordingly. From the Resource Manager, you can access these styles and other resources. For certain objects, we have manufacturer information that can be preloaded into styles, so the object will have the correct look, size, and specifications. You can see in this door style that a manufacturer and model have been specified, and the aspects of the door that are specific to that model have a catalog icon next to them. Styles also make it easy to make changes to your design. You can not only edit a style, you can also replace one style with another. When you replace one door style with another, style parameters will change while instance parameters, in this case, the color of the door, will remain as they were. These styles are saved as resources and can be easily shared across files or added to shared libraries. You don't need to build these styles from scratch, though, because Vectorworks has a large library of default content available to all users, as well as premium libraries available to customers that participate in our maintenance program. Because Vectorworks uses object styles, you can add data to them as the design progresses. You don't have to front-load them with information. Change management is easy and intuitive with styles, so you can use intelligent tools to not only add information to a BIM model, but also quickly explore different ideas. Sometimes you may want to create custom parametric objects. You can do this in Vectorworks with our integrated algorithms-aided design tool, Marionette. Marionette allows you to not only create custom parametric objects to use in your BIM model, It also lets you explore different patterns and logics in your design iterations. Vectorworks lets you define and fully customize the 2D plan, section, and elevation representation for 3D modeled objects of any building element. You have complete control over the level of detail in 2D representations of 3D objects. Vectorworks combines the best of an efficient BIM software with the perfect 2D look for your documentation. In the Vectorworks drawing area, which is organized by design layers, there are two types of views: 3D views and a top plan view. Top plan view allows you to see what your model will look like in plan view. It shows line weights, hatches, and fills, just as they'll be displayed in plan drawings. Views of your model are called viewports and can be placed on sheet layers. These are page layouts where you can create anything from construction documents to presentation boards. Viewports can have multiple rendering styles and image effects applied to them, as well as an annotation space for associated dimensions and smart data tags. The graphics in sheet layers are WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. So there's no need for other programs like Illustrator or InDesign. Those sheets can be printed or exported to PDF, but you can also share animations, 3D panoramas, and even a web view of the model itself using our cloud tools. Collaboration capabilities like this are crucial to BIM, which Vectorworks is proud to support with intelligent tools that aren't only for large projects and external collaboration. You can benefit from these tools no matter the project size. With BIM tools, you can extract data from your model to create schedules and reports. Vectorworks has two-way schedules that allow you to not only extract data from the objects in your model, but also to update objects directly from the worksheet. You can also see your data directly in the model with data visualization. Data visualization allows you to apply attributes to objects based on intrinsic information. You can use this to create informative drawings, as well as validate your model while designing. Even after building a model, we all know that you still have to convey your design intent through drawings. Vectorworks has drawing coordination tools that allow you to not only produce documentation accurately and efficiently, but to also create drawings that represent you as a designer. Tools like the title block border tool, data tag tool, and smart markers can all display or extract information directly from the model, and the graphics are completely customizable. Data tags pull the relevant information directly from the object they are tagging, and they can push data to objects, so your data is always coordinated. Smart markers can be used to coordinate your drawings, including embedded hyperlinks in published PDFs. Like data tags, you have control over the look of your markers, and you can easily edit styles to change the look of your drawing. Grid lines are placed in a design layer, and they automatically appear in the annotation space of relevant viewports. Their appearance can be modified to suit the drawing, and they can be easily dimensioned. It's easy for multiple people in your office to work on the same file simultaneously with Vectorworks project sharing feature. You can create a project file and share it either from a cloud-based service or from your own office server. We also have a Vectorworks server application that you can install on any local area network using a shared hard drive. From the file sharing dialog, you can create the project file or manage the file itself. You can see who has checked things out and what task they are doing. And you can set different permission levels for each user you share the file with. When working in project sharing, you can check out and reserve objects, and when you're finished, you can save and commit your work so others can refresh and see the changes that you've made. When it comes to collaborating with consultants, Vectorworks has many import and export options, including DWG, Revit, and IFC. You can not only import DWG and IFC files, you can also reference them. So when you receive updated models from your consultants, it's an easy process to see necessary updates. As you can see, our solution offers a wide range of possibilities, and I showed you only a few powerful tools that I feel illustrate what it's like to design in a truly versatile design software. We are inspired by our users that excel in the field of architecture, interiors, planning, landscape architecture, industrial design, construction, set design, exhibit design, and many more, and we hope that you'll soon be one of us.